Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. So for today's look, I was kind of just messing around. I picked out the Dawn Eyes Cosmetics pigments that I wanted to use, and I kind of based it around that. So the shadows I used were from NORVINA, the NORVINA palette. You'd probably not even guess because it's super neutral. Of course, I used the Dawn Eyes Cosmetics pigments, and I also used one of their glitters as well. So I do have a discount code with them. I will leave that down in the description box below. And on my lips, I wanted to talk about it before we get into this video because it's really pretty. I really like it. This is from Myth Cosmetics. This is a Game of Thorns liquid lipstick. I love it. It's actually got some shimmer to it. Let me see if you can see that. It's really pretty. I really like that, and I also have a discount code with them as well, so it'll be up on the screen and of course down in the description box below. Alright, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so for my base today, I'm using the Kat Von D Crucifix Lip Liner. So I'm just applying that over just a concealer base, and then I'm using this Luxie Duo Fiber blending brush to buff that out. Once I have that buffed out, I'm just going to be setting that with a pressed powder. Now I'm going to the ABH NORVINA palette, and I am taking the shade Incense on a super fluffy blending brush, and I'm going over that base. And this is going to be my transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade, I can't tell what that is. Anyway, that shade. And that's on a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm adding that to the crease to darken it up, and then I am buffing out any of those edges. Now I'm taking the shade Volatile on a MAC 239 brush, and I'm darkening up my crease just a bit more, and then going over and blending with the previous brush. So now I'm just going to be cutting my crease. You guys know the drill with this. However, this time I am using a paintbrush. I just like how this brush isn't frayed like all the rest of my flat brushes right now. So yeah, I'm just taking that out and like winging it in that S shape. And then I'm just blending that into the skin so that it is not like super creamy. Now I'm taking the Dawn Eyes Cosmetics Scintillating pigment, and I'm just using that on a wet brush, and I'm going to be applying this to 2/3 of the lid. And then I'm taking Dawn Eyes Cosmetics Spellbinding pigment, again on a wet brush, this time on an angled brush. And I'm going to be winging that out, trying it back in, and then I'm going to be sort of packing that on. So off camera, I did pack on more pigment onto both sides. They tended to shear out a bit because I used a lot of liquid. Alright, so now for glitter, I'm taking the Dawn Eyes Rawrdy glitter with Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. And I'm using that on a Suva Beauty, I think this is a 620 brush. They have the thinnest liner brushes ever. Amazing. And I'm just drawing that along my crease. Now moving on to the lower lash line. I'm taking the same crucifix liner that I used in my crease as my base, in my waterline and along my lower lash line, and then I'm going to use the same brush from the very beginning and smudge out those edges. Now I did do my brows off camera and I added that little gem up along my brow bone because of that scab there. I'm beginning like ingrown hairs on my brows. It's so annoying. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking Dreamer from the NORVINA palette and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. And then I brought that like a third of the way on the lower lash. Then I'm popping on these lashes from Rouge and Rogue, and this is the finished look. I can't believe this is like the sun is shining through. Anyway, this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified when my videos go up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.